Hello everyone, this is Prajwal. I'm back with a new video, and in this video you will learn how to install WSUS console on Windows Server. We will install WSUS admin console using Server Manager and PowerShell. When you install the WSUS role on a Windows server, the WSUS console is automatically installed. However, if you want to manually install the WSUS console on Windows Server, the steps to install it are little different. If you are a system administrator or Windows admin, you know that Windows Server Update Services enables the administrators to deploy the latest Microsoft product updates. WSUS is a Windows Server role, and when you install it, you can efficiently manage and deploy the updates to your computers. After installing WSUS role on a server, you can manage WSUS from any computer on your network by installing the WSUS admin console. In other words, you don't have to log into WSUS server to manage it. A remote WSUS console will do the job. You can install the WSUS administration console using two methods. First, manually install WSUS console using Server Manager. Second, install the WSUS administration console using PowerShell. The PowerShell method is a recommended way to install the WSUS admin console because it's much quicker than installing the console via Server Manager. Anyways, I'll cover both the methods in this video. Method 1. Install WSUS console using Server Manager. I'm going to install the console on Windows Server 2022. On Windows Server, launch the Server Manager. On the Configure this local server page, click Add Roles and Features. Select the installation type as role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. On the Select Server Roles window, you don't have to select anything, so click Next. On the Features window, scroll down and look for Remote Server Administration Tools. Expand Role Administration Tools and enable Windows Server Update Services tools. When you do that, the API and PowerShell commandlets and User Interface Management Console are also selected by default. Click Next. On the confirmation window, click Specify an alternate source path. Enter the path of the SXS folder from Windows Server installation media. Click Install. The WSUS console installation begins now, and you can view the installation progress on Results window. Feature installation succeeded on Windows Server confirms that WSUS console has been installed. You don't have to restart the server after installing the WSUS console. Close the Add Roles and Features wizard window. That's how you install the WSUS console using the Server Manager. Method 2. Install WSUS console using PowerShell. As I mentioned earlier, installing WSUS console using PowerShell is quick and easy. On Windows Server, launch the PowerShell as administrator. Now run the command install -Windows feature -name update services -UI to install WSUS console. Exit code success means the WSUS console has been installed successfully. You can now launch the Windows Server Update Services console and connect to WSUS server. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope this video helps, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all with a new video soon. Bye.